How do you get a satin finish on metal? I have a really cool tip for you today, and I will show you a handy attachment to achieve that desired beautiful satin effect on the surface of your designs. Without further ado, here is the star of today's video. Well, actually 2 stars. This type of attachment is called a frosting wheel, a texturing brush, or a texturing wheel. You can find it at Cooks on Gold, Rio Grande, Otto Frey, and others. It will fit in your handheld rotary tools and flex shafts of your pendant motors. The pins have different grades like extra fine, fine, medium, and coarse. Have you used it before? Let me know in the comments. Eye protection is an absolute must, unless, of course, you're going for that hot one-eyed look of a certain 25-year-old actor we're supposed to believe is 15 in the show, but I digress. Seriously, what's up with that? I would like to add a satin finish to this ring band. Let's see if that works. Make sure you're not using the speed that's too high. And I would like to add a satin finish to this polish band of a finished ring too. Whoops! I will not admit how long I was searching for that ring, and it definitely wasn't 10 minutes that I'm never getting back. So hold on to your pieces properly as you work on them. Okay, and what if I have a wide band? That looks so good. I'm using an attachment that leaves bigger marks. Look at that. So shiny. I love this effect. The surface is a bit rough after this blue one, coarse one. So make sure you smooth it out with the finest polishing attachment or paper. I have a nice disc that will become a charm for my necklace. I use printer's tape to secure it in place and cover the area that I don't want to leave the marks on. Okay, we can see that the pins are pulling on the paper, which means the direction of the tool matters. Now that's much better. Okay, that looks so cool. Honestly, such a fine effect. Let's see it on brass. Again, using the attachment in the same direction as the paper tape, I use the yellow, finest one. And here it is. Looks amazing, don't you think? And here we can see the effect up close. What do you think? Do you like it? I'm super happy with this, and I love this satin finish. Looks very good, and these attachments allow us to apply it very quickly too. One final note, be very careful when using it, because the pins can fly off, and that actually happens quite often. And have fun! Thanks for watching!